am I hiding you or anything during while shooting with him? But then he always said that Urvashi, nobody can hide me. You remember? So I like that, the way he said that, Urvashi, nobody's in this entire earth when I'm shooting for a film or for a song. In such a funny way, he said that nobody can hide me.
I'm super duper happy to be here. I'm actually very clueless what to say and from where do I start. I'm extremely grateful and extremely happy to be here. It is such a huge launch in Vizag. It's, I think, my second time in Vizag. I've never been here, but such a beautiful place, such a beautiful, in mid of nature and with the ocean. It is nice to be here, but I'm really grateful to be part of Volta Varaya. Extremely thankful to the entire team, especially I'd like to start off with my blockbuster director, Bobby Garuji. I must say, you have had an amazing set of filmography with your first film. You're just like so talented, so skillful. You know what you want. You are filled with conviction. You're so dedicated. I get speechless when I have to talk about you because there's so much. I can actually write an essay when it comes to you. Thank you so much for having me. In, in this film and giving me this amazing opportunity to work with. Everybody knows. I'll come in the end. But Bobby Ji, all I want to say is that the trailer is kick-ass. It's brilliant. Thanks to your vision, the kind of vision. The very first time, I still remember when I visited the office and you showed me the teaser. I told you that as a fan, I couldn't wait to watch the entire trailer, which just got released yesterday. All the songs are doing so amazingly well. The entire film is looking so good. The action, the presentation, and who else can present actors better than you? I mean, your vision is just like world class. You know how to present each and every actor and what, nuances to enhance and how to present them in the best way. I think um, I can't put into the words, but you know how to present the actors in the best possible manner. So I'm just so happy to be part of, to be able to work with you. Not exactly work, but I really hope that I get to, do, another film with you properly as an actor where we can work together in the scenes and with the character and every single thing. And then second, I would say DSP, the very the rock star of India, not just India, but worldwide. DSP, Devi Sri Prasad. You are a blockbuster hit machine that entire India knows very well. I remember still working with you back in 2015 when I did Daddy Mummy Hai Nahi Ghar Pe. Again, I think it was in my destiny to work here. There is a cross connection because I worked in Daddy Mummy with you, which was again a recreation version of a megastar Chiranjeevi sir's song. And it did so very well. People still, wherever I go in India, everybody's there like, Urvashi, we want to play Daddy Mummy, everybody raves about it. So, the sense which you have in music is, the kind of sense which you have in the music is like next level. The way how you, your lyrics, the sense of music is like, it is blockbuster. In the end, every tune which you end up making is definitely a blockbuster. So again, it was a great working with you in terms of every single thing. And then thank you so much to my producers, my three movie makers. It is my very first time that I'm meeting you, Naveen ji. I'm just so happy to see you here. You were not there before, during shooting as well, and in the previous event, but I'm just so happy. Thank you. And Cherry ji, the CEO of our very amazing production house, Maitri Movie Makers, and we're missing out on Ravi ji. I don't know, he's not here. But, and then I would say about Ravi Teja Garu ji. All I want to say is that, you're one of the most favorite actors, and the all regret I have is that I wasn't able to share screen space with you, but I really wish that happens in future. You are the Mass Maharaja. You're loved with all your fans worldwide. And congratulations for your back-to-back hits and every single thing. And I'm sure that, you adds up to our film. And I'm sorry, I've been told to finish up this speech fast, but I really can't. In the end, I'd say about the one and only, our Chiranjeevi Garuji, the mega star Chiranjeevi Garuji. Again, I'll say that I have worked with so many superstars, but it was my first time working with such a it was my honor and my privilege to be able to work with mega star Chiranjeevi. And again, I'll repeat it, that after working with you, I got to know what is the difference between a superstar and a mega star. And thanks to everyone. I'm so sorry if I missed out on anybody, but thanks to Walter Viraya. And do not forget to watch Walter Viraya, 13th of January. So guys, happy Makar Sankranti, happy New Year, and celebrate this Makar Sankranti with Walter Viraya.
All I want to say is that I'm truly very blessed and grateful to mark my debut in Telugu film industry with Boss Party and Walter Viraya. Extremely grateful to my producers, my three movie makers. Since the beginning, I truly feel that my three movie makers is such a prestigious production house. So thanks to Ravi ji. Thank you to my director. I think he's such a wonderful person, such a wonderful human being, and a creative genius, Bobby Kohli ji, for thinking about me or having me here in Boss Party, and DSP for curating such an amazing song. He's like, whatever he creates, he always ends up making some blockbuster numbers. And to the entire team, and last but not the least, the one and only Chiranjeevi Garu. I mean, thank you so, so, so very much for everything. I must say that after working with him, I got to know that why he is not a superstar. Why he is not a superstar and he's a mega star. After working with him, I got to know that what is the difference between a superstar and a mega star. So I learned so much from him. I think about his fitness or the way how his approach towards his work, his professional approach. I love his dancing. When I finished shooting on this for the Boss Party, I remember watching a clip 4 years ago in SIMA Awards where I mentioned a journalist asked me that who you want to work with, and I said Chiranjeevi sir. And I was literally shocked to see that clip that after 4 years that I'm actually working with sir. So I think I'd like to thank God. I'd like to thank, thank the stars for that I got to share screen space with such a big mega star. And I love his dancing. I love his energy. And I have a little bit of comedy thing to tell you guys that I was so silly and I was so stupid that I always used to tell him, am I hiding you or anything during while shooting with him? But then he always said that, Urvashi, nobody can hide me. You remember? So I like that, the way he said that, Urvashi, nobody's in this entire earth when I'm shooting for a film or for a song. In such a funny way, he said that nobody can hide me. So that was really, really amazing. And what do I say? Like his comic timing and everything. I mean, overall, he is a true megastar. And I worked with multiple superstars, but it was my first time working with a megastar. So I'm truly happy and very grateful and a bit sad because the Ravi Teja ji was not there with us. Really hope to work with you as well in future. And Shruti, I was actually expecting her, but congratulations to her as well and the entire cast and team and my choreographer. Actually, I don't know if he. Oh my God. Yesterday at the award function, somebody told me that Shekhar Masterji is going to perform with you, but you didn't perform. You didn't come, but hopefully I perform with you again. But thank you so very much for curating such an amazing choreography. What do I say that it is trending all over globally? And thanks to you for giving such steps, and thanks for, I mean, your mind and the way how you think about choreography. And Cherry ji, thank you so very much for everything, for executing everything perfectly since day one. Thank you, everybody. And thanks to all of you guys. Thank you.